Hello children, most welcome to all of you. I hope that your study is going in a good way and you are preparing the materials very well. So always try to write the important notes which are given, and that will help more better in order to understand the points which we discussed. Children, in today's video lecture we are going to study in the same topic, that is process of isolation of metals. That is in about metallurgy we are going to learn Bessemer converter, one of the very important furnace which is given in your syllabus. That is Bessemer converter. So we will study in this topic or in this point that what is Bessemer converter, what is the types of Bessemer converter, and what is the Bessemerization, and also we have to study that for which type of metal this Bessemer converter furnace is applicated or utilized. Alright children? So let's start about Bessemer converter. So must remember, this is not only important for your upcoming board examination, this is also important for competitive examination or when you study in other higher classes. So due to its importance, I am going to explain it clearly. Just listen the lecture sincerely. Alright? So Bessemer converter was first given by Henry Bessemer in 1885. Alright? What is the mechanism? What is the figure of the Bessemer converter? That is represented here. Just see and listen. Children's, as this is depicted, the Bessemer converter is a paired shaped. This one, you used paired shaped, furnace, which outer surface, this outer surface is made up of steel, while its inner surface is made up of fireproof bricks. Listen once more. Bessemer converter is a pear-shaped furnace. Pears, as you use it is one kind of food which is generally used in summer, and it is a very good that is oxidizing, antioxidant, which is very beneficial for food. So shape is just like pear, so it is called pear-shaped furnace. So Bessemer converter is a pear-shaped furnace in which its outer surface is made up of steel, while its inner surface is made up of fireproof bricks. Okay? The height or length of this furnace is about 10 feet and diameter is of about 7 to 8 feet. Alright? This converter is arranged or fitted with the help of a stand, which is movable around the horizontal axis. Okay? This converter consists of a tubular. In the middle part or just below the middle part, there is one apparatus called tubular, is set or fitted or arranged in this Bessemer converter, which is used to flow or blow hot air in the furnace. The use of this tubular is to produce or to, that is, blow hot air in the furnace. Alright? So use of tubular, it is a common term, which is the name And the use of tier is, it is the one you can say apparatus by which hot air is blown or produced from outside in the furnace, is called tier. Alright. So this is all about figure structure of this furnace. Once again I reminding, listen sincerely. Bessemer converter is a pear-shaped furnace which outer surface is made up of steel, inner surface is made up of fireproof bricks. It consists of a tier by which a hot air is blown under it, under the furnace, and this whole arrangement is settled or arranged with the help of a stand, which is movable around the horizontal axis. Alright. One more thing you have to also remember, that the coating of inner surface of this very Bessemer converter is of either lime or magnesia or either of silica. When it is coated with silica, in that case this converter is called a silica lime converter. When the inner surface of this very converter is coated with silica, there are two options depending upon the nature of the impurity of the metal. So there are two points, that is lime and silica. If inner surface is coated with a silica, SiO2, silica just SiO2, alright, and lime CaO or magnesia MgO. So either coated with silica or coated with lime or magnesia, then, and when it is coated with silica, then in that case this very converter is called silica lined converter. This one, silica lined converter. And generally this converter is also called acidic Bessemer converter. Just I will going to explain that point later. So this silica, must remember this point also, silica lined converter is called acidic Bessemer converter. Why? Just I am going to explain after the explanation of this very point. So what is the now come on the mechanism of this Bessemer converter. The metal which we have to extract or which we have to purify, means molten metal, is kept inside the furnace. This one, this whole is dotted, which you are seeing, it is a molten metal. The molten metal is kept inside the furnace. Okay, and when this molten metal is heated with the help of tier, okay, this is tier. Hot air is a tier, hot air source is tier. So when this molten metal is heated with the help of tier, then the impurity present in molten metal gets oxidized. The impurities which are present in the molten metal gets oxidized and removed in the form of waste gases from the upper surface of the furnace or in other upper space of the furnace, which you can say that is from the mouth of the furnace. Means the waste gases which are produced during the oxidizing or during the heating, they will remove from the outer part of the furnace, or you can say from the mouth of the furnace, in the form of waste gases. Okay, and the remainder which is rest is a metal. And the Bessemer converter is generally utilized or applied in the extraction of metals like copper and iron. This furnace is generally utilized in the extraction of metals like copper and furnace. Alright? When we have to make a cast iron to steel, that is used here, Bessemer converter, when we have to when we have to matte. You will study in the metallurgy of copper that what is matte. So matte is generally matte. Word is matte. M-A-T-T-E. Matte is what? It is a mixture of cuprous sulfide and ferrous sulfide. So in this, that in the case of copper metallurgy, this mixture is filled under it, and in the case of conversion of steel, we use here iron metal. So they will be filled in the case of iron and copper respectively. So during heating with the help of fuel, what happens? The impurity present in molten metal gets oxidized and removed in the form of waste gases from the upper surface of the furnace or from the mouth of the furnace, and the rest remains the same, which is just reversed, and that is obtained in the form of a metal. Generally, this Bessemer converter is of two kinds. First is called acidic Bessemer converter. Acidic Bessemer converter, shortly called ABC, and second is called basic Bessemer converter. Basic Bessemer converter. This is called shortly BBC. So what is ABC and what is BBC? Listen sincerely. Listen children. When the inner surface of this very Bessemer converter is, if coated or lined with silica, SiO2, the converter is called acidic Bessemer converter or silica lined converter. Why? If the inner surface of this Bessemer converter is coated with lime or magnesia, lime or magnesia, lime or magnesia means CaO or MgO. So in that case, this converter is called Bessemer, basic Bessemer converter. When this ABC and BBC are utilized, so listen sincerely, when the nature of the molten metal is of basic, then in that case acidic Bessemer converter is used. While when the nature of the molten metal means that is categorized on the impurities which are present in the molten metal. If the impurity nature of the molten metal is of basic character or basic in nature, then in that case ABC or acidic Bessemer converter is applicated. While when the impurities, nature of impurities in molten metal is of acidic nature, then in that case BBC or basic Bessemer converter is utilized or applicated. And one more thing, the process in which molten metal gets obtained in the form of a pure metal by using this Bessemer converter, the process is termed Bessemerization. One term is coming, Bessemerization. Alright, so sometimes question comes that what do you mean by Bessemerization? So your simple answer will be the process in which by the application of Bessemer converter the obtaining or producing of metal from these processes, the process which are carried out during the extraction of metal with the help of the converter, Bessemer converter, is called Bessemerization. Alright, so remember these points. And this Bessemer converter is generally used for the metals like copper and iron. And in the case of copper, you will study, you will know metageolite, while in this case, that is there are variety of iron, that is cast iron, that is pig iron, and that is steel. So in that process, this is also applicated. So children must remember, this is a very important furnace, and this is not suitably given in your NCERT book. Just they have taken the names. So must remember and try to learn them properly. So its full marks question is also sometime come. So in the case of furnace, as you are studied, that is blast furnace and Bessemer reverberative furnace. This furnace is also very important, that is called Bessemer converter. So this is all about Bessemer converter. Learn it properly. So that's all about children's Bessemer converter. All the best. Thank you very much. Stay safe.